When we will go to the gym early in the morning, 5 a.m. 5 a.m.
Yeah.
So in my mind, I'm like, what happened to that? Is it because there's no more Malta? Were you doing it because of Malta?
No.
When we will go to the gym 5 a.m. 5:30. She'll come back home, go to work.
Yeah.
Sometimes you go to the gym after again. Because the moment you say, I don't care about what you're doing, I need to do my own plans. Because before I got into this relationship with you, I had my plans. That is selfishness. And selfishness is the #1 killer of relationships.
Welcome back to our channel.
You are welcome back. I go by the name Ayo.
And I am Ope and me.
And together we are called
Ayope. One united.
One accord.
Yes.
One united.
Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to the channel, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share with a friend, because this channel will bless you. This video will bless you. Our content will bless you. Okay, so quick introduction. We have been married for 7 years now. 7 amazing years.
Come on now.
By the grace of God.
Come on.
Not because we know how to do things, but God has been helping us, and we are blessed with 2 children. Okay, we are certified marriage and relationship coaches, and we help couples all over the world, okay, to win in their relationship. If it's something that interests you, then keep watching this video. And obviously, if you want to speak to us one-to-one, reach out to us on coaching@ayopedavis.com. Okay, so without further ado, let us dive into what we have today. Today is a bit of an interesting one.
It's interesting. Let me tell you why it's interesting. So anyway, we like to gist you guys.
This is us being open and honest again.
Yes, okay? And I think that's it, because a lot of people actually reach out to say, they like our openness and they like our honesty. And honestly, we like talking about it as well, because
absolutely,
we're so passionate about this relationship thing that we all want to learn. So as we learn, because we're not perfect, right? As we learn, we want to bring our learnings to you as well. And that is the basis of this story time today.
Basis of the story time. So basically, okay, as usual, Okoyemi was just annoying me. And I decided I was going to annoy. I'm joking. Okay, so what happened was, we did have an argument. Okay, and
yes, guys. We do argue. We do. Okay?
We do argue, and then we'll come back. Like, we did a full series on this, so if you've not seen our video about misunderstandings,
go back to
and arguments, go back to it, okay? Because we shared some good nuggets, which we practice. Okay, so where should we start from?
The truth. I'm just looking at you because I think the I think.
So basically, back end of last year, okay, we were kind of looking ahead and planning for the new year, the whole goals thing, and accountability, what we're going to be doing, what we're going to do better. And usually would kind of speak to each other about these things and review what we have and see where we can help each other and all of that. Now, so we had an argument pertaining to health and fitness. Okay, now health and fitness is one area where we have both kind of struggled in our relationship and with our goal setting and with what we want to be. Okay, so we have over the years tried as much as possible to be accountable to each other, to help each other, okay, to hit these fitness goals. Okay, we started off really well. We were working from home, we were working out together, doing our skips and going on our jogs and our runs. We were doing quite a lot together
and eating quite healthy as well.
We were
like better eating. Maybe not necessarily full thrown healthy, but portion control and things like that.
So halfway through this, I'd say sometime in June, July, we kind of just slipped up a bit and we just stopped somehow. I guess we got busy.
I think it was more August, and I tell you why.
August?
Yeah, because I think I slipped off. Because basically, we were supposed to go to Malta We were supposed to go to... Jesus!
That's what happened.
We were supposed to go to Malta.
Tell the story about this Malta.
We were supposed to go to Malta for our 7-year anniversary. Then August, it was all booked and everything. And because of that, we were like, we're not going to go to the beach and be looking like the Nutty Professor.
We wanted to look good, beach board, six pack.
Baywatch, like you would have seen slow-mo challenge then. You would have seen me doing slow-mo. I would have been like, dun, 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 dun.
Just like in those slow-mo, I think you need to have long hair now.
I will wear wig. I'll
have done my own slow-mo. You know those slow-mo where you just come out of the beach
yes,
water.
and the
guy just come with his six-pack and the chest.
Exactly. Do. Anyway, so that was the plan. We were gonna take over Malta. In fact, you would have just seen Ayope everywhere, left, right, center, Ayope.
Okay.
Anyway, so the travel agents called us to cancel our flight because the UK was in lockdown, so there were no flights going to and from UK. Obviously, our goal was to look good for Malta. Then Malta wasn't there anymore.
Yeah.
So I think for the first day, I comforted myself with like a pack of shortbread biscuits. That was the first day. Yeah.
We were really looking forward to the Malta trip, and it was almost our motivation to do our fitness and eating right and all of that, because we just wanted to look good so that we could take fine pictures and all of that,
Hashtag.
But they cancelled the flight, and then that was kind of like the motivation point.
Yes.
For Ope and me initially, and then for us.
Yeah.
So after a while, we just stopped doing all the workouts.
Yeah.
I think we'll show you some videos. We're doing a lot of sweating.
We're losing weight.
We were actually burning. We're looking good. We did some before and after, but we're not going to share with you. When we do the real before and after, we'll share with you.
Because we went before, after, and back to before.
So back end of last year, somehow, I don't know.
You started feeling the ginger.
Yeah, I just woke up one morning and I just said, I want to do better, right?
No, and guys, sorry, this is actually not a joke. It actually shocked me because he woke up one morning, he was like, I want to do better. And he was like, I'm going to go for a jog today.
Yeah.
Like, okay. I don't know. Like, he said it as if, I said,
I'm going to go for a jog. She's like, oh yeah, that's fine.
That's good.
I said, no problem. I did my jog 1 week straight. I was going for my jogs. Around the whole estate. Going round, I was on it. I'll come back sweating. I'll show her like, oh my God, I went.
And what was I doing?
And she'd be like, oh, well done, baby, well done.
Putting a Pringle in my mouth.
And then she just carries on eating and everything.
No, so
I didn't say anything. Now, and this habit kind of continued. So the next week, I went hard again and everything. So it was now the third week of going hard. I was doing this 5 times a week. The third week, I now mentioned it to her like, it would be nice for you to join.
No, bro. Did you say it like that? Did you say it nicely?
What do you mean?
Did you say it nicely?
I said it as nice as possible.
No, you said okay. I guess that's another thing.
Yeah.
When you're talking about a woman's weight, there's no nice way to say it.
Okay.
I guess. Isn't
maybe
it?
For you, but was I talking about your weight?
No, you were just like it'll be nice because that's what it infers to me. You never said it like that, so you're like it'll be nice if we could go jogging together, and I was like, what did I even say? You were just like, just said I'm not ready. I'm not. Yeah. She just said I'm not ready. And I think because I shut it down. Yeah, she kind of shut it down. And to be honest, I don't think I pushed then. No, you didn't. I was just like, oh, okay, no worries. When you're ready, let me know. The next week I continued. I'll come back. I'll say, wow, it was really good. I'm telling her, giving her gist that. And I was supporting. I was like, well done, baby. When he came back, but still when eating. When he came back, he had a nice meal ready for him to, make sure that he has the energy to go. So I was supporting your ministry. You were supporting the ministry, but I wanted us to be in the ministry together. That's us. We do these things together. Anyway, so I think it was now the 4th week again. I kind of brought it up, and I said, actually, you now came to me in the 4th week and told me that, okay, yeah, baby, I've been thinking, I'll join you. You told me that you'll join me. And I said, okay, that's very good. She came on her own accord. Yeah, so I was happy. And then I went on my run the first day of the 4th week, second day of the 4th week, third day of the 4th week now. And I came to her again like, what's going on? You said you're going to come with me. You've still not come. And she just like, I'll do it when I'm ready. Yeah. Baby, I'm good for this. Like, I've done it before. I'll do it again. That's what I said. Yeah. And I was just not happy with that. And this was where we now kind of
went into an argument because
No, I think what broke the camel's back is when I said, when we're talking, so now let's bring it to, you know, we're doing our individual goals. We do individual goals and we do collective goals.
Okay.
And I was like, I don't have any fitness goals.
Yeah. So I said, how can you not have fitness goals? That was it.
I was like, I don't have any fitness goals.
I said, I don't understand. For the past at least 3 years, we've always had these fitness goals. And because we want to, this is our area of weakness, okay? It doesn't come to us naturally to do all these gym things. But there was one time that Ope was on it, man. And I'm sure I told you guys, Ope will go to the gym early in the morning, 5 a.m. 5 a.m.
Yeah.
So in my mind, I'm like, what happened to that? Is it because there's no more Malta? Were you doing it because of Malta?
No.
Ope will go to the gym 5 a.m. 5:30. She'll come back home, go to work.
Yeah.
Sometimes she'll go to the gym after again. And me, I was slacking. So I wanted us to go back to that. We now came and we're doing our goal and all of that. And she says,
I don't have any
fitness goal.
No,
I don't have any plans to do anything fitness.
Thinking about it, that was a bit cheeky. How can I say I don't have any fitness goals? Like I said, that was rude when I know I need fitness goals.
I was just like, no, that's not on. You was like, what? You're like, that's not on.
You have no fitness goals. You're like, baby, you have no fitness goals. I was like, nah, I don't think I'm gonna be doing anything fitness this year.
And I'm like, how can you want to do that to yourself? Like, guys, like we're okay. I was gonna say we're almost 40. We're not almost 40, but.
No, but he did say that we're not getting any younger. He's like, we're not getting any younger. I was like, baby, but I'm not 40.
Yeah,
he was like, that's wrong. That's wrong. That's wrong. So, we shouldn't wait till when we
so we shouldn't wait until, God forbid, we shouldn't wait until there's one high cholesterol somewhere or something is happening before we, you know, do things and burn. Like literally, we shouldn't be eating more than we are burning. So these were some of the things I was saying that no, I wasn't happy.
So that was the trigger.
Resolve.
That was the trigger for you. So and then for me. So after that happened, he now said. So I said, "Oh, I don't have any fitness goals." He was like, "Anyway, you've seen me finish."
Okay.
So what does you've seen me finish mean?
So I now said, I feel like you have seen me finish. I feel like you're taking me for granted. I feel like you don't appreciate me as your accountability partner. And that was just how I was feeling at the time, because I have been trying to motivate her on goals that we have set for each other. And she was just saying, I'm no longer interested. I am not doing this. And obviously, I cannot force you, but all I can do is encourage and motivate. And so I was feeling frustrated and deflated at this point in time that why wouldn't you? Why don't you want to do this? And I felt like, is it because I am your husband? Like, okay, you've seen me finish. Like, this is Ayo. And normally, obviously, I know that my wife listens to me. You know, you kind of take my advice. I take yours as well, listening. And so I was just a bit shocked and taken aback, like, is it because, don't you, I even used the word respect. And immediately I used the word, don't you respect me? Is it that you don't respect me? That triggered you.
I was like,
you're like, how can you say that? Do you really want to go there?
Do you really want to go there?
And immediately I took it back and I said, okay, no, the word I'm looking for is not respect, but it was that taking me for granted and not, you know, buying or listening to me to help you and help me. Because what happens is, when I'm doing it by myself, I also get tired. But I noticed that when we do these things together, we motivate each other and we keep each other pumped. So that is that level of accountability that we have for each other. So we just thought we should come and share with you guys. Obviously, we talked about it, we resolved. I think the fitness stuff is back on your goals list. And we're going to be doing a few things together. And we just said, let us come and talk a little bit about accountability.
Just to scratch the surface, actually. We're just going to scratch the surface because really and truly, this is all in our book.
Absolutely.
So you need to go to the book. Like, first of all, let's even start with the communication. For the fact that, you know, there was a breakdown in communication. In, you know, where you said, oh, you don't respect me. You know, I probably, should I say I had the right? I could have flared up and said, you know, what? Don't talk to me like that. What do you mean? But I said, let's take it.
You made me think about what I was saying.
And gave you an opportunity to take it back. I feel like in a situation like this where I was potentially hurt by what you said, but you at that moment revised it and said, you know what? I didn't mean it like that.
That's not what I meant.
Exactly.
And that alone just helped us manage the situation. Okay, it helped us manage manage the situation.
Yeah.
Even later, we talked about it was the next day we actually fully resolved because you were now tired, I was tired.
Yeah.
And we just said, you know what, let's talk about this tomorrow and everything.
Exactly. So that's even, we're giving them too much, baby. We're actually giving them too much.
This is why we say comfort coaching.
This is why we say comfort coaching.
Anyway, so yeah, and get the book. We say some of these things in the book. Because when we now talk about accountability, right?
Yeah.
Like when you're in a relationship, okay, you are no longer single. So you can no longer say, I only want to do things on my watch.
Yeah.
I only want to do things at my own time. I only want to do things that will benefit me. I don't care about what you're doing. I only want to do and focus on my plans. I don't care if my plans ruin yours. That is an issue. The moment you say, I'm in a committed relationship, and obviously when you get to marriage, that is a higher level of commitment and a higher level. You need to be accountable to each other. But the problem is that some people believe, or some people see accountability as imprisonment, as a loss of freedom. As why do I have to tell you what I want to do? Why do I have to tell you my plans? Why do I even have to tell you where I'm going to? Why do I have to tell you who I'm talking to?
But with your spouse, you don't tell them anything. And this is aside from fitness. You don't tell them anything. You hide your failures because in relationship, you will flop.
Absolutely.
You can't hide your flops. You hide your highs, you hide your lows, you know, you sneak out in and out. You don't give them anything.
Yeah.
And you want your relationship to grow. Think of your relationship like how you would have your relationship with your personal trainer or your financial advisor or your business coach. You are open and honest with them because you want your business to grow, because you want to lose weight, because you want your finances to be better. So why don't we do the same with our relationship? We want our relationship to grow. We need to have accountability.
Simple. I want this relationship to grow. First of all, I need to be ready to be vulnerable. As you said, I cannot be hiding my flaws. I cannot be hiding my weaknesses. I cannot be hiding the areas where I'm struggling. I need to let my spouse in on that. You need to let that person in on that because they will actually help you. Because the moment you say, I don't care about what you're doing, I need to do my own plans, because before I got into this relationship with you, I had my plans. That is selfishness. And selfishness is the #1 killer of relationships. You cannot be selfish if you want to be in a successful relationship.
If you want to be by yourself.
Well, if you want to be by yourself, by all means.
Yeah.
You can be selfish.
You can't be in a relationship if you want to be by yourself.
Yes. Because you're no longer by yourself. The moment you say you commit to a relationship, let alone a marriage, where you actually say, I do.
Yeah.
So guys, we just wanted to share this with you. Hopefully it helps someone. By the grace of God, you know, it has helped us. We've reviewed this, we've looked back at it, and we said, okay, yeah, this is what we're going to do differently.
Yeah.
And by God's grace, it will work for us. Ladies and gentlemen, hope you have been blessed. Okay, we're going to close the curtains here. Remember, if you need any one-on-one coaching, you need somebody to help you, we have our coaching clients. They have been sharing testimonies. We're going to get some of them to even share some of their testimonies with you very soon. Reach out to us, okay, at coaching@ayopedavis.com. Okay, so let us sing our welcome song to welcome our new subscribers. Or should we sing our new Marriage is Easy as ABC song, which is from our book, Marriage is Easy as ABC. Go and buy the book. It's on Amazon.
In fact, when you buy the book, come below in the comments and say I bought the book.
You bought the book. So we're going to sing this song. After we sing this song, go and buy the book.
Simple.
Okay? 5, 6, 7, go.
Marriage is easy as ABC. 1 + 1 is God, you and me. Together forever is what should be. 'Cause marriage is easy as ABC.
You say,
marriage is easy as ABC. Your 1 + 1 is God, you and me. Together forever is what should be. 'Cause marriage is easy as ABC.
You say,
marriage is easy as ABC.
Come on now.
Marriage is easy as ABC.
God bless you guys. We shall see you in the next video.
Bye.
Ọpẹ́ ló yẹ mí, ojújúmọ́ ni.